What do you see?
We got red.
Red's there.
Right there. Red right behind that wall. They're shooting the guy that way.
We got more reach. Once we see it, let's keep going wide.
Hey.
Yo! Kev, head to us. Alright. You see that barricade up there? We got a guy right there. See if I can reach him. See him?
Yeah, I see them in the back.
I don't think I can. There's a lot of trees to go through. We're not going to get nice shots over here. I think we should go as wide as we can. Let's keep going wide. Follow us, Kev. The hole here. Ooh. Hey Kev, coming this way. Oh, sorry, bud. Yeah, I got somebody right here. Right here. Got him. I got him.
Nice shot.
Yeah, buddy. One shot in the head. Nice. That was a 75-yard shot to the head. All right, we can move up now. I think that was all we had there.
Pat, you're 12.
Where are you?
You're 12 in the tree. I see movement.
Do I have a clear shot on him?
No.
No? You see somebody or no?
No.
Shots just came from that way, right? Nope.
At my 12.
Hey, got a shooter.
Far back past those trees. I can see movement.
I see him. I see him. I'm going to get him right now.
What's going on?
I don't know. I don't know. Somebody might have went down. Ugh.
Yo, spread out, go down, surround them.
Make it down more.
Hey, I got people got tower.
Right here.
Tower. My 12. Watch the tower.
Guys, don't stand up.
Do not stand up.
Okay, let me use the one here.
Yo, my 12 o'clock.
Watch the right hand side too, fellas.
I got this. I got this.
Got him.
No.
They
Banging, baby. They banging.
Stay there, stay there.
Oh, we about to blind them. Hold on one second.
Hey, I got smoke.
Yeah, let's get this party started, man.
Hey, smoke's up. Smoke's up. Wait, could have waited a little bit longer. Watch your right side.
All right, you guys can move now. Move. Let the
Which one?
They're inside this whole building.
Oh, I see him. I'm gonna get him on his next little visit to that window. Yo, watch yourself there. I see him.
You gotta come around. The way we were going, and hook around to your left. Got people on both high and low.
Fucking branches. We got a guy in the building! Somebody back him up! Second floor. Moving up!
Okay, let the tire clear. Clear it, let's go! Move it clear! Damn, this fucking popped out, son of a bitch!
What happened?
Clear it inside it. Right here, right here, right here.
Yo! I need somebody up here. Is this a friendly right here? Laying on the ground?
Where?
You see him?
No.
Alright.
Is he under the bunk or something?
Got him in the head. Look, I got him.
Oh, there. I have no idea. Oh, so you got the foot.
Got you again.
Friendly right there too. I see a red band.
What did he say?
No, but friendly's right in front of us.
Is that friendly?
No, right in front of us. See a red band?
The guy over there.
I don't know.
Left hand side is not friendly. Left hand is not friendly. Right hand is friendly.
I don't think so.
I shot him twice and then he yelled at me.
Sniper tower. Left hand side is not friendly. Right hand is friendly.
Oh, yeah.
I just got him out. Alright, he just wasn't happy about getting shot. Alright.
Called out.
You guys ready to push out?
Yo, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Is that creep zone or is that
Fuck was that?
12 o'clock right here?
Yeah.
Is that creep?
Oh, is that enemy?
Was it in here, right?
Is he facing us?
12 o'clock right on the position.
There's a girl walking away.
No. I see what he sees. Got him! Got him!
Good fucking shit, bro.
Thank you. Watch your left side. Watch your back, dude. Watch out. I see someone right there.
Make sure for any stragglers you see them, bro.
Yo, you might not be.
If you don't see no arms, then shoot them.
Oh, we got somebody in the trees over here. Somebody right here, bro. Right here. Is he on our team? Take the shot. Got him. He's out. He's out. Got him.